Welcome everyone. Today, we are excited to introduce to you our new cold storage management system, a truly smart, incredibly fast and fully digital solution which will transform your cold storage operations, making them far more accurate, significantly easier, and remarkably efficient. Let's begin by taking a closer look at the world of this powerful system. Established in the year 2009, Oshnic Group is today a leading business software solutions provider in India. For the past 12 years, we have been counted among the leading providers of agri-warehouse management systems, WMS, consistently delivering reliable, efficient, and accurate systems to businesses. Through our innovative solutions, businesses are empowered to fully automate their workflows, significantly reduce paperwork, and ensure complete transparency across all their operations. Today, our software is used by many leading warehousing providers in India, along with over 350 satisfied clients, including more than 1,600 warehouses and cold storages. This system is actively operational in more than 60 cities across Madhya Pradesh and makes day-to-day operations smoother and smarter. We offer a cold storage management system in two versions, Invoices CBSC, SaaS. There are corporate versions and non-corporate versions. You are currently watching the non-corporate version. Here are our software's key benefits for management. These are the primary technical features of our software. Our system is available in two primary modes, cloud and local on-premise. In the cloud mode, your entire database is securely hosted on a dedicated cloud server, and the Windows, web, and mobile applications can be conveniently accessed anytime, from anywhere. In local mode, all your data remains only on your local system and can only be accessed from that system through the Windows application. In local mode, data backup must be taken manually. Our application is available in both Windows and web versions. When you opt for cloud services, both Windows and web applications become available and they can be utilized simultaneously. Currently, we are looking at the Windows application. Our system is equipped with an advanced user and role management system. Various roles can be created within it, such as director, manager, and data entry operator. Each role is then assigned the necessary rights or permissions, and subsequently, these roles are linked to the users. In this manner, every user receives access and permissions strictly according to their specific role. Work in cold storage primarily happens in three stages: inward, outward, and billing. The first stage is inward. This is when the customer's goods arrive at the warehouse. Here, their weight is taken, their information is entered into the system, and a CSR, or cold store receipt, is generated for them. The second stage is the outward process. This occurs when the customer takes their goods out of the facility. At this point, a delivery order is created within the system, and after a thorough checking process, the items are safely and securely dispatched. The third and arguably the most crucial part of this entire operation is billing. A rent bill is prepared based on the delivery orders. This means that rent is applied to all the goods that have been shipped out, and for the remaining stock that is still on CSR, a separate rent invoice is generated. This specifically refers to the rental charge for the remaining inventory stored within the warehouse. Our system efficiently handles all these three crucial stages in a very simple, swift, and completely precise manner, ensuring that every single record remains perfectly clean, secure, and is always updated in real time. Please launch the GMCAS application from your computer's desktop. Then, you will need to carefully enter your login ID and password. After that, simply click on the login button to gain full access to the system. Upon successful login, you will find all the primary options pertaining to cold storage operations conveniently displayed within the main menu bar. The agreement option is specifically utilized for managing seasonal billing processes. Inward entries for all goods are efficiently processed and recorded through the CSR list. Furthermore, the delivery order list is exclusively used for handling all outward movements and dispatches. Within the R bill list module, customer billing can be viewed and effectively managed. The AP bill option is specifically designed for managing all your payable bills. Through the petty expense module, all your routine daily expenditures are accurately recorded. The shifting option facilitates the transfer of stock from one location to another. Within the block list, a comprehensive summary of stack-wise stock can be viewed, and the block detail option provides a detailed description of the stack-wise stock. Now, let's understand the pattern of all list screens. Each list screen has three panels: a filter panel at the top, a result view in the middle, and an activity or operation section at the bottom. To search, click the search button in the filter panel. On this screen, you can easily customize the display by choosing to show or hide columns according to your convenience. To do this, simply click on the tools icon and then you can turn on or off the specific columns you wish to view. To ensure your current selection is saved, please click on the floppy disk icon positioned right beside the tools icon. Once this has been successfully saved, the next time you log into your account, you will then only be presented with the specific columns that you have personally selected. You can also change the position of the columns. Simply grab the column header, drag it, and place it at your desired location. After that, click the floppy button again to save your preferences. You can export the results by simply clicking on the PDF and Excel buttons. In order to view a concise summary of these results, please activate the Summarized checkbox. You can refine your results in a much better way by applying more than one filter combination. This pattern remains consistent across all list screens. Okay, let's now take a look at the inward process. To create a seasonal agreement, click on the Create button located on the Agreement List screen. Following this step, you must accurately fill in all the necessary information within the form, such as the agreement's name, the specific commodity involved, and its precise location. Next, you will need to add the packing-wise rent details. Here, you can easily input all the seasonal rent information, including the exact period, the start date, and the end date. Monthly or 6-monthly rents that become applicable after the season concludes can also be added here, ensuring post-season billing is processed correctly and automatically. After carefully reviewing all the information, proceed to click the Save button. This action will successfully generate your new seasonal rent agreement, which you can then link when creating a cold storage receipt. Please note, this is exclusively applicable for seasonal billing purposes. What are the different packing types available for her commodity? These must first be properly linked within the system. To accomplish this, you should navigate to the agreement list and then proceed to click on the Commodity Packing Type button. Once there, you will need to select the specific commodity and then carefully choose all the relevant packing types in which that particular commodity is typically available. Once your selection is finalized, simply press the Save button. By doing this, the specific commodity and its corresponding packing type will be successfully linked together within the system. Following this, you will then be able to generate a cold store receipt, or CSR, for the stock associated with that particular commodity and packing type combination. To proceed with creating a new cold store receipt, please navigate to the list screen and click on the Create button located there. You will need to fill in all the essential details on the form that opens. These include the verified receipt number, vehicle type, vehicle number, deposit group, depositor, commodity, agreement, packing quality, item grade, moisture, party's demand, minimum days, rate, rent per unit, and any remarks. The depositor group is the actual owner of the stock, whereas the depositor refers to the legal name under which the CSR is issued. Generally, the depositor group and the depositor are the same. Along with this, you should also add the block-wise stock information. First, please select the specific unit, then proceed to select the chamber, then choose the appropriate floor and block, and finally, input the total number of units and their per unit weight for that particular block. If you wish, you can also click a photo of the driver and attach it. You can also obtain the driver's signature. Once all the information is accurate, please click on the Save button. This way, your cold storage receipt is successfully created. To view the CSR list, you will first need to access the main chamber menu. From there, carefully select the specific option labeled CSR list. Once you have made this selection, you will then be able to proceed by applying all the necessary and relevant filters to refine your search and display the information you require. click on the search button, and the complete CSR list will then become visible on your screen. Provided the user has the necessary access rights, so they can select any specific record from the available list, and then by clicking on the print button, they will be able to generate and print the CSR. The CSR can be approved by using the Approve button. The Block/Unblock button can be used to block or unblock the CSR for delivery. Once a CSR has been blocked, its delivery will not be permitted until it is unblocked. If you ever find it necessary to modify any of the existing information for a CSR, you have the option to update all of its specific details by simply utilizing the Edit button. And should you need to completely remove a CSR from the system, you can easily delete it using the dedicated Delete button. This allows you to effortlessly view and manage all your CSRs with great convenience. To print the cold storage receipt, you must select the specific record from the CSR list that you wish to print. It is crucial to ensure that the CSR has been approved beforehand. Then, simply click on the print button to complete the action. A pop-up window will open, allowing you to view the print preview. From this window, you can download or directly print the CSR and then hand it over to the depositor. Let's now take a comprehensive look at the outward process, which is commonly known as the delivery procedure. When a depositor comes forward to withdraw their stock holdings from the system, a specific delivery order is then meticulously prepared for them. To do this, please select the appropriate CSR from the provided CSR list and then proceed to click the Deliver button located on the list screen. Once the form opens, you must accurately complete all the required details. This includes weighing details, manager and supervisor information, and filling in the delivered units within the blockwise stock information grid. After you have filled in all the necessary details, please click on the Submit button. In this way, your delivery order will be successfully created and confirmed. To view the order list, please navigate to the Chamber menu and then carefully select the Delivery Order List option. Apply filters based on your specific requirements and then proceed to click the Search button to display the complete and updated list of delivery orders. Once you have successfully selected a particular record from the displayed list, you will then be able to print, approve, or even delete it. Alright, let's now take a detailed look at the billing process. There are primarily two distinct types of billing that we handle here. The first one is the rent invoice, which is consistently generated on a monthly basis, specifically for the remaining stock of CSR. And the second type is the rent bill, which is generated specifically for the stock associated with all delivery orders. Billing is carried out based on the minimum number of days and the specific rent method. Here, the rent settings can be customized on a depositor-by-depositor basis. For instance, the rent rate, the rent calculation method, and the minimum number of days for each depositor can be configured separately. Should the minimum number of days be set at 30 and a depositor decides to withdraw their stock within just 3 days, the rent will nonetheless be calculated for the full 30-day period. The calculation of rent can be performed using various methods, such as a monthly basis, a 15-day period, or a weekly approach. For example, if the monthly method is set and stock is withdrawn after 1 month and 2 days, then the rent will be calculated for a full 2-month period. Rent calculation can also be based on weight. Based on all these specific rules and prevailing situations, our advanced system automatically calculates and processes the rent with 100% accuracy, thus eliminating any confusion or errors from the billing process. Now, let's look at the rent invoices generated for the remaining CSR stock. You can select one or more records from the CSR list for which you wish to create an invoice, then click the Invoice button. If necessary, change the bill date and other options. To view the complete rent calculation details, please click on the Calc button. Afterward, carefully review all the pre-filled rent details displayed and then proceed to click the Save button. In this manner, the rent invoice for your chosen CSR will be successfully generated. Now, we will examine the rent bill that gets created based on the stock associated with delivery orders. From the available delivery order list, please select the particular record for which you intend to generate a rent bill, and subsequently proceed to click on the Rent button. If you wish to make any changes or adjustments to the rent bill, you can modify the rent amount, labor charges, insurance charges, and the bill date. To view the complete rent calculation details, please click on the Calc button. Furthermore, if it becomes necessary, you have the option to input the TDS information as well. In addition to this, you will be required to select a suitable bill format, which could be either monthly or seasonal. And if the situation demands it, you can also provide a narration. After filling all the information, click the Save button. See, this way, the rent bill for the DO is successfully generated. To access the complete list of rents, bills, and invoices, navigate to the Chamber menu and then choose the AR Bills option. Apply filters according to your specific requirements and click on the Search button to display the full list of bills and invoices. If the user possesses the necessary administrative rights, they can select any record and subsequently print, approve, edit, or delete it. To print rent, bills, or invoices, you will need to select the specific record from the AR Bills list that you wish to print. Please keep in mind that the bill or invoice must be approved beforehand. Now, proceed to click on the Print button. A new pop-up window will then appear, allowing you to view the print preview. From this window, you'll have the option to either download the bill or invoice or print it directly. And it can be made available to the depositor for the settlement of their payment. To create a receipt entry for any rent, bill, or invoice amount, you will need to select the specific record from your AR Bills list that corresponds to the payment you have received. After selecting it, simply click on the Receive button. Next, you must fill in all the necessary details within the form. These details include the receipt amount, the payment mode, the ledger, and who received the payment. Once you have finished entering all the necessary details, please click the Save button. After successfully saving the information, you will then be able to print out the credit receipt. Within the system, there are numerous important reports available, all adhering to government standards, which provide comprehensive details regarding stock and all transactions. Utilizing the assistance of these comprehensive reports, you are able to effortlessly track all information pertaining to stock and transactions at any given moment. Furthermore, every single one of these reports operates in real time, allowing you to access and review them whenever you need to. All reports have been prepared in strict accordance with government regulations, norms, and standards. The main reports include: in the CSR list, a detailed record of all inward entries is available, which provides complete information on the inward stock, the delivered stock, and the remaining balance stock, all associated with the CSR. The delivery order list provides a comprehensive overview of all outward delivery orders. This includes detailed information regarding the delivered stock and the corresponding rent amount. Within the AR Bills list, you will find all the necessary information for every generated bill. Here, the rent amount, the received amount, and any outstanding amount are clearly visible and easily identifiable. The block detail list displays a comprehensive and detailed breakdown of stock, categorized block-wise and also by CSR. The Chamber Summary Report further includes chamber items along with a minute-wise overview of opening stock, inward stock, outward stock, and closing stock. The information regarding deposit time valuation and current valuation is available. The stock register contains a complete record of all inward and outward movements, useful for government audit and inspection. The CSR Issue Cancel Register clearly displays the complete details of all CSRs that have been officially issued and those that have been subsequently cancelled. The Commodity-Wise Stock Report provides a summary of stock by commodity, showing the number of units and total weight based on depositor type. It also allows for viewing both the deposit time valuation and the current time valuation. In the depositor ledger, a comprehensive transaction record is available for every depositor, covering their inward, outward, and current balance stock. In the Daily Stock Report, you can concisely and clearly view information regarding the opening stock, inward movements, outward dispatches, and the closing stock. The Monthly Commodity Stock Report provides a detailed account of the entire month's commodity-wise stock levels. The depositor stock report provides a comprehensive summary of opening, inward, outward, and closing stock categorized by depositor type. Our advanced software solution doesn't merely simplify the day-to-day operational tasks, it also introduces a wide array of significant advantages specifically designed for effective management. Through the seamless integration of our cutting-edge software, your entire cold storage facility undergoes a complete digital transformation, thereby empowering management with comprehensive and absolute control over every aspect of its operations. You can monitor real-time stock and billing anytime. If the cloud service is active every evening, management automatically gets a daily summary of opening and closing stock on WhatsApp. That's why there's no need to log into the system repeatedly. The operator is responsible for creating documents and performing data entry, but their final approval rests with management. Processes like CSR, printing, delivery, and billing are only allowed to proceed once management has given its approval. This guarantees complete security and control. Once approved, no alterations can be made to cold storage receipts, delivery orders, or bills, ensuring 100% accuracy is maintained and the potential for any manipulation becomes absolutely zero. The system also reduces errors from manual processes, paperwork, and calculations, which eliminates mismatches in stock and billing. Our intelligent software automatically records the precise original system calculated amount for every bill, which provides our management team with full and complete transparency at all times. Even if an amount is accidentally modified by someone, the management can still compare it with the original value, which ensures that billing disputes and mismatches are resolved instantly. When generating CSRs and DOs, the system automatically captures the precise geolocation. Additionally, a photograph of the vehicle and the signature of either the depositor or the driver are also recorded. This comprehensive process ensures that every single entry is genuine and verifies that the vehicle was indeed present within the cold storage premises. Automated notifications for your clients on WhatsApp, providing payment reminders, bills, and updates on all incoming and outgoing transactions. They are sent without any manual intervention, making your communication fast, professional, and completely hassle-free. This system is equipped with advanced user and role management capabilities, allowing you to effortlessly create distinct user profiles and assign them precise, tailored permissions. The entire application functions seamlessly and responsively across all three platforms: mobile devices, tablets, and desktop computers. Furthermore, an automated daily stock summary report is conveniently delivered directly to the owner's WhatsApp, ensuring they stay informed. In addition to this, customizable printing solutions are also provided for all your documents, such as cold storage receipts, delivery orders, and invoices. The system's interface is exceptionally user-friendly, which makes all tasks quicker and much simpler to complete. This significantly reduces the amount of paperwork and leads to a substantial improvement in customer service. An automated numbering system is readily available for managing cold storage receipts, delivery orders, and all invoices. Furthermore, intelligent data validation actively prevents any incorrect or erroneous data entries. Stock management is performed across 3 distinct levels: the chamber, the floor, and the block. Furthermore, a complete audit trail is also provided, detailing actions like created by, modified by, and login logs. We want to express our sincere gratitude for taking the time to watch this demonstration. Should you have any inquiries or require further details regarding the range of services we offer, please do not hesitate to reach out to us directly at the telephone number provided. We are consistently available and always ready to provide you with comprehensive assistance. Thank you very much.